In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wix Error Code 2762 step by step, so you can get back to working on your website without frustration. This error usually appears when Wix is having trouble loading or syncing properly, and the good news is that in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps you should try, starting from the simplest fixes to slightly more advanced ones. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy website and software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should always do when you see Wix Error Code 2762 is simply refresh the page and try again. It might sound too simple, but temporary glitches happen all the time, especially if Wix servers or your browser hiccup for a moment. Go ahead and refresh your browser, then try accessing your Wix dashboard or editor again. In many cases, the error disappears immediately after a refresh. If refreshing doesn't fix it, the next step is to check your internet connection. Wix relies heavily on a stable internet connection, and even a brief drop can trigger Error Code 2762. Make sure you're connected to a reliable network. If you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. You can also test your connection by opening another website or running a quick speed test. Once you're confident your internet is stable, reload Wix and see if the error is gone. If the issue still persists, the third step is to log out of your Wix account and log back in again. Sometimes your session can become corrupted or expire, which leads to errors like this. To do this, click on your profile icon in Wix, log out completely, close the browser tab, then reopen your browser and sign back into Wix. After logging in, go back to the page where you saw the error and check if it's resolved. Next, if logging out didn't help, try opening Wix in an Incognito window or using a different browser altogether. Browser extensions, cached files, or cookies can sometimes interfere with how Wix loads. Open an Incognito or private browsing window, go to wix.com, and log into your account from there. Alternatively, switch from Chrome to Firefox, Edge, or Safari and test again. If Wix works fine in another browser, that's a strong sign that your original browser cache or extensions were causing the problem. If none of those steps work, the final thing you should try is republishing your site. Log into your Wix dashboard, open your site editor, and click the Publish button again. Republishing helps resync your site with Wix servers and can clear backend issues that trigger Error Code 2762. Once the site finishes publishing, refresh your dashboard and check if the error has been fixed. At this point, most users will see the issue resolved. If you're still getting Wix Error Code 2762 after trying all these steps, it may be a temporary Wix site issue, and waiting a bit or contacting Wix support would be the next best option. And that's it. You now know how to fix Wix Error Code 2762 quickly and safely using these simple steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix tutorials and website fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.